Hello folks, welcome to the Javarevisited YouTube channel, and this is an introduction to HTML, and this is a HTML5 course for absolute beginners. So if you are a beginner and if you want to learn HTML, then this course is for you. So please don't skip the course, or please don't skip the video. This is an introduction video to HTML. So we have a lot of question about HTML or web development, so we will clear all of our questions in this course. So our first question is in the introduction is, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. What is markup language? Markup language is not a programming language. It is a markup language used to create web pages. If you want to become a web developer, front-end developer, full stack developer, you must have to learn HTML. Every website that you have seen in your entire life, like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Instagram, something like that, every website that you have seen, there is must HTML in every website. So you can imagine that how important HTML is this. So as a beginner, you must have to learn HTML if you want to become a web developer. And our next question is, what after HTML? Now we have learned HTML. Now what? The next step is that you have to learn CSS. What is CSS? CSS is cascading style sheet. It is used to design our web pages. Like we have write some codes in our HTML. Now we can't leave it as it is. We have to do some work on it. To make it some better, to make it beautiful. So we will use CSS to make it beautiful. CSS style the HTML. So this is the basic concept of HTML. And what we learn after CSS, we have to learn a programming language like JavaScript and a framework like Bootstrap, React.js, AngularJS, or Vue.js. These are some basic framework to learn as a front-end developer. And our next question is, what are tags? You must have heard from your teacher that or in any language that we use syntax, but here in HTML we use tags, not syntax. You can also call it syntax, but I am going to call it tags. So what are tags? There are two kind of tags in HTML. The first one is opening tag and the second one is closing tag. Here you can see, here is a HTML. I'm going to show you, here is HTML, and this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Why it is the closing tag? Because you can see here a backslash here, so the backslash make it a closing tag, and this is the opening tag, here you can see, and this is the closing tag. You can see the root element HTML you will see in our codes, and the title is used to write title of our website, like this is my first website, something like that. Or body, we write our content in body. H1 is a kind of heading that we will use in our videos, that we will use to make headings. Like this one is also heading HTML, or I write tags, this is also kind of a heading. And paragraph mean this is a heading, HTML tags is a heading, and this is a everything that you are seeing in this page, this is a paragraph. It is just a example I'm going to and what is at the end? A. What is A? You can see this is a. And what is A? A is a anchor tag. Anchor tag used to link one click to another click. For example, there is a home button, there is a home section in, and there is a button like hire me. What you will do, you will click on the hire me and you will automatically redirect to the contact section. So this is the work of anchor tag. So guys, this is the basic concept of HTML, and I'm sure that you must have learned about HTML, and then in the next videos we will learn and we will write codes of our HTML.